Hi, welcome everyone. My name's Miss Klahr.
I'm Miss Anderson.
And I'm Mr. Witzel.
And this is Animal Science, grades 9 through 12. And today, we're going to have an opening question, and we're going to have you pair up with someone at your table. If you don't have someone, find a partner really quick. And everyone have a partner? If you need to have a group of three, you can. Okay, today you are a farmer, and bad things have happened. You have been traced to have had a case of botulism to your farm. How are you going to figure out where it came from? Go ahead and discuss with each other and try to come up with an answer.
You're a swine farmer.
Botulism. What is botulism?
It's a foodborne illness, basically.
You're a hog farmer.
So how are you going to trace that back to your farm? Go ahead and talk.
So you have lots of litters and lots of piglets. So how do you figure out? Just like
Any ideas?
So you sent all your pigs in the process. So you have to know which one was sick.
Why would you say very
Okay, everyone, go ahead and try to wrap up your thoughts. Okay, who has any idea of what's going to happen? What did you guys come up with?
Well, first of all, if there's individual pigs that have been affected, we'll quarantine them. You can check their ear notches for what litter they came from. You should have accurate records of what pens they've been in. I would go ahead and quarantine those pigs as well to see if they've been well and if you can vaccinate.
So you came from a hog farm, is what I got from that answer.
Not really, but okay.
Very smart. Well, you happened to lead us into exactly what we needed you to lead into. Her answer was definitely correct. You would use ear notching, which Mr. Witzel is going to teach us about.
So how many of you can do simple addition? Then you would be able to create ear notches. It's that easy. What you're going to basically do, the simplest way to do it, is to remember that the ears are always split in quadrants. Okay? When you're looking at the pig's face, the ear that is on the left side, or the pig's right ear, is going to be the litter number, or the time, or the group that that pig was born with. And then the right ear, or the left ear, on the right side of the pig, is going to be the individual number, and that's the order that the pig was born in. A rule to remember that in each quadrant you can have no more than 2 notches. So you have to remember that. And then all you do is you know the value of each notch depending on the quadrant it is in. So like if you look up on the board, the lower quadrant that is closest to the face on the bottom side of the ear is equal to 1. The top away from the face is 3. Then you have 9 and 27. So if we had a notch here, what would it be? 1. And if we had 2 here, what would this notch be for this pig? 7. Because you have 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. It's that simple. Are there any questions?
Mr. Witzel, why do we use ear notching?
Ear notching is the universal identification system for swine. That way we're able to track or have records that can track back to the parity or the litter that that pig came from and see their records fairly quickly and easily. All right. Miss Anderson's going to take us into our activity.
Okay, guys, you all should have a set set of pig ears. Before you put them on your head, take 30 seconds to figure out your litter number. And when you get that, give me a thumbs up.
Is the right one, way I'm looking at it,
So when it says right ear, it's actually on your left. It's the pig's right.
So,
okay.
So figure out your litter number, give me a thumbs up once you got that.
yeah, when you have your ears like this, this is the face of the pig. So, like what you're looking at right now is the face. So you turn yours around and you look at the face. Just like that.
Okay, so 2, 8, 9,
So you have
So-
that's two the face is 6,
yeah, 8.
plus the 9 is 15. Cool. Okay, so now that you all have your litter number, everyone has their litter number, I want you guys, you're all piglets, find your litter mates. So everyone, if you can just stand up and find your litter mates, get together in your litters. So you should know your numbers.
And now you have to read other things.
17.
Okay, no.
Who's 17? I'm a 17.
I'm 11.
Yeah.
We're good.
Alright, is everyone with their litter mates? Yeah? Okay, find your mom. Piglets, go to your mom.
We are
Yourself.
For mom?
Oh. I'm gonna say this way, Mom. I'll run my mom.
And once you get to your mom, line up in order of firstborn to lastborn. So once you get to your mom,
So now
your
that we
order
know our
is
litter number,
first
what
one
year
to
are we
last
gonna look
one.
at to see the individual?
Oh my gosh.
So who was
Which is
born
ironic
on
because you were
a
actually
different
in
day?
order of age.
Who was born
Well, you
second?
know,
Probably, yeah.
what are the equal
So
ones?
then, yeah, so line up, there you go, good
One
job.
is choose first. 2 would be second, 3
What
would
do
be
I have on my
fourth.
list here?
You have, so you're
Right.
in a go back to over two. Alright, is everyone in their order? Okay, go through and tell me your litter number and your piglet number. Starting here. If you need to look, you can.
Litter 7, piglet 1. Litter 7, piglet 2. Litter 7, piglet 3.
13 and 1. 13 and 2.
According to that.
17.
Awesome. That is all we have for the activities. You could go back to your seat. We have a soccer exit ticket.
And you guys can keep your notches.
Slide unit.
There's our room number. Swine unit is our soccer room
Well, it's
number
an
for
elective,
this.
so.
Okay, what are we choosing answer for? Did I not pull it up right now?
Let me try again, guys.
I chose B.
Yeah, I pulled it up right. I should have.
What's the question?
The question should be, it should be on yours, this is the teacher version.
It just says choose answer.
Yeah.
Just choose an answer.
It does?
Do we get a free point even if we choose?
Let me try again.
You don't need to just draw it on the board.
Yeah.
Say it out loud.
Just, yeah, well, you just.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll just ask you the soccer div question and then answer it in your I Aspire. The question is, what does the right ear of a pig indicate in ear notching? And that's all we have for you guys today.